Hey everybody, it's Monday, October 6th, about 5 in the afternoon here in Montana. And I just had to show everybody that even though I'm losing my trees up here in the woods, up on the ridge here, I'm kind of losing a lot of the leaves here in my woods already. Uh, and it is just such a beautiful fall day for sure. But anyways, as we go past the pet cemetery, some of the most beautiful spirits and my sons and daughters are in the ground there, dogs and cats. Anyways, I had to do this video because I actually think, even though yesterday morning, Sunday, I woke up to about 4 inches of snow on the ground everywhere, and all these aspen were loaded down and just bent halfway over. It was brutal. And here my little limber pine and my western larch. There's the limber pine. Here's the western larch. They were bent over halfways. They were bent over almost completely. But anyways, I got to show you what's going on in the valley. And here's my beautiful Doug fir, same age as the western larch and the limber pine. But in the last 3 years, I planted all 3 of these trees at the same time. And in the last 3 years, now I planted them about 15 years ago. And this Doug fir is taking off now. It is at least 4 feet taller than the limber pine and the western larch. All right, let's get out here. Got to show you. This is why I'm doing the video. The valley survived the snowstorm, and the colors are incredible. I think this is actually the peak. It has to be. It's the 6th, and the colors here in my valley survived that snowstorm. Here comes somebody down the road. Like I said, this is about as prime as you could ever hope for here. And I am just happy that it's happening this year. Check this out. I live in one of the most incredible places on this planet. And I believe that 100%. Let's see, here comes somebody else down the road. Let's see. Maybe I can zoom in. All right. No, I think actually they're going up the road. But let's leave it zoomed in. Maybe I should be all this time. I've never zoomed in with my camera, I don't think. There's Grassy Mountain. That's the Continental Divide. Heading over this way, that ridge is the divide. Now we got to get way over here to right there. Okay. I'm going to put it right in the center of the screen. That's Sugarloaf Peak, and that is also the Continental Divide. From there it heads east over towards Butte, but south of Butte, crosses I-15, then heads north up above Butte, all the way up to Glacier and Canada. But I'm telling you what, these colors are incredible right now. And for some incredible reason, I am fortunate enough to live here. So that's enough of me blabbing about my life. Everybody have a good day. There you go, Sugarloaf. Everybody take care. Talk soon. Bye.